Alright, I'm making this video just to serve purpose to sell this. This is a Arizer Volcano. As you can see, the fan is fully functional. It's cooling down now. I just warmed it up to burn off any resin or dirt or anything inside the bowl piece. Lights all function under device function. Fully functional, plugged in and charged, completely running. We can turn it on and off here. So turn it off, plug it back on, it's still in cooling mode. I'll just kind of run through the measures here. Here's a fan. Here's fan 1. Here's 2. And here's 3. Let me get 3 back, sorry. Here's 3. See, it's fully functional. I'm not operating the device in itself just because no intention to film that. Here are all the accessories included again. The balloon kit, which includes the 4 food grade bags untied, 2 glass mouthpieces with O-rings, the Arizer mini whip, a glass cyclone bowl. All of this you need to fully operate the device, as well as this device here. Thank you very much for looking at the ad.